Hey, when you start your car, you hear the sound? Yeah, guys, that might be sign of a bad serpentine belt. So today, we're gonna be doing that. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Hey, guys, here's what I forgot to show you. See that little ball I'm showing you right there? That's the tensioner release, and it requires a 19. However, you can get a spanner in there, so I have to use a regular spanner and then push on it. But yeah, basically you push on it forward. On Civics, you go forward, and then you release it off the stop belt right here, and then you release it back, the tension, and then you release the whole belt, restring it, push it back forward, slide on the front, and you're all set. Hey guys, yes, sorry, but I don't know which car I'm doing the belt change on. It's a 2008 9 Civic coupe, y'all. Sorry about that. Well, we're all done, y'all. New belt is in. You gotta make sure look for the diagram online, folks. It's a little bit hard to get. I had to get help from my cousin. Appreciate the help. But now we got a brand new belt. And that's the old belt. It's the original belt since this car was made in 2009. So the heat probably stretched in, and that's why it was squeaking out. But you gotta make sure you get it in within the passageway. As you can see, it goes on those two pulleys, goes up, catches on another one, and it goes back. And then you gotta catch it on the alternator last. It's a little bit tricky. You gotta get some help. But it's done, y'all. Alright guys, I appreciate it if this video helped you out. Y'all know what to do. Alright. Appreciate y'all watching. Love.